जहां स्लिप के साथ वो बॉलिंग का आगाज करेंगे लेफ्ट हैंडर के सामने। और इस बार शानदार डिलीवरी स्पिन के लिए खेले थे। 2 रन का इजाफा होगा इनसाइड एज पर और स्टंप आउट हो जाएंगे। बहुत ही शानदार कोशिश मंजूर की विकेटों के पीछे। उन्होंने पलक झपकते ही बेल्स उड़ाई। गेंद टर्न हुई मलिक की।
खासा दूर बॉल की, पूरा निकल के ना नहीं खेलने में कामयाब रहे। बहुत तेजी से स्टंप्स पे मारा है विकेट कीपर ने,
इसलिए नॉट आउट करार दिया गया। और पुल शॉट खेला, यहां पर 4 रन बन जाएंगे। एक और पुल शॉट, ज्यादा दूर नहीं थी मिड विकेट से। यहां पहुंच जाएंगे एहसन हफीज। 2 रन का और इजाफा ट्रॉफीज के और इस बार भी क्लियर कर गए हसनैन ताहिर बेग को। और शानदार शॉट हसनैन का, पहले से तैयार थे इस लेंथ के लिए। खूब खेला इसे मिड विकेट के ऊपर। डबल करने वाले कप्तान बने। और शानदार शॉट, इस बार महज प्लेस किया गेंद को।
यहाँ पे टांग रखकर स्वीप किया है। बेहतरीन शॉट, 4 रन लेने में कामयाब रहे हैं।
Teams will be fighting for. Apish, well played, a very deliberate shot to the wide of that player. That's Herrera at long off.
As this one, Hassan is looking to play reverse sweep. Yeah, this has been put over the fielder. I think this definitely will go for 6.
Yeah, I was just about to say that no 6s have been hit in the 3 power plays we've seen today. And here comes the first one, just outside the power play.
या लेकिन जब आप सेट हो जाते हैं अली, 10 ओवर आप गुजार लेते हैं, तो फिर इस तरह के शॉट्स लगने चाहिए। और ये बात सुन ली हसन ने और इस गेंद पर पिल पड़े।
ये जोन में था, यही लेंथ और यही पेस आइडियल है इस शॉट के लिए। लगता है ऐसा है कि ये इस लेंथ पे ये शॉट ढूंढते हैं क्योंकि फ्लो अच्छा है बैट का, स्विंग अच्छा है।
देर तक अपील करते रहे इन्फोर्सर के किरदार में। और पहली गेंद पर विकेट मिलेगी। आहिस्ता गेंद की और बल्लेबाज कंट्रोल नहीं कर सके। हसनैन चिप करना चाहते थे,
थोड़ा जल्दी कर गए इस शॉट में और आसान सा कैच मोहसिन रियाज ने। इसलिए हम बात कर रहे थे कि जब हसन अली आएंगे, उसामा मीर आएंगे, वो प्रेशर और चैलेंज ही डिफरेंट होगा। हसनैन नदीम वापस जाएंगे 43 रन बनाकर 65 पर 1।
Nicely done by Hassan Ali and almost fingertips to that. It's gone to a boundary, but I'll tell you what, the idea was right. Good game awareness. He saw the batter coming down, he dropped in short. This time on the onside, it's a good shot. He's moving around in the box in the crease. Bowlers usually don't like that. Yes, it looked very adjacent. I don't know why the bowler wasn't that happy in appealing, because that was pretty adjacent. He missed it completely and it was going and crashing into middle stump.
Make sure it's a legal delivery. And just getting in between. Osama was late to appeal there over there. Aways goes for 7. 89 for 2.
Change of pace, direct hit, he was gone. Well, surely gone.
Had a lot of time over there. Could have gotten himself in a better position to hit that one. So many opportunities for run out.
Pace on. It's been hit between mid-wicket and square leg for a boundary. Oh, it's a maximum there.
Well, they're better with playing the pace. Right in the middle, a short pitch delivery by Ahmad. Slow balls were quite effective for him. A full-bladed pull shot.
If anything, he might be keeping a player or two away. And look at what's happening at the other end. Usman takes a chance because the captain isn't intending to do anything. So he has to go. Usama Mir picks up a wicket.
Yeah, no problems at all on this end. Very smart operator. Dragged the length back, and that big booming turn. There was no chance that he was coming back there. Goes back, scoring 9 runs. 101 for 3. Oh yes, done easily. He's bowled him. That's brilliant from Usama Mir. You cannot afford to hit him like that. He's too good for this.
Which wasn't there. This was the googly, not read by the batter, and he'll have to go now. Spend a long time at the crease, Hassan. 102 for 4.
Third over, in fact, of the quota. Bowled him. Too good, Hassan Ali. The quiet generator. It's just getting too heavy for AJK at the moment.
No problems with the front foot, a bent front knee, and this is a slower one, which is bowled now, otherwise would have been leg before wicket, the place where it struck him. So eyes not on the ball. Mohammad Adhar going for something which isn't played in that way. One he got off 2, and it's 5 for 103.
All-round cricketer. Swoops one, but hasn't got long. It's taken by Abdul Sabhan. Another wicket for Hassan Ali. Again, into the surface cutter. That's what they realize. That's what good bowlers do. Adapt to the conditions quickly. That's why you're successful getting the wickets.
Not many people in the history of the country have done it. Short one and play towards mid-wicket. Boundary to AJK. A much-needed one from Akib.
Picked up. That's easy pickings. 4. That's not good from Subhan.
2 balls to go in his second over. As once again this is edged, and this time Hassan Ali does well. Saves a certain boundary. Short fine leg is a live wire in the field. It's match 28 and the Manhattan we're going to talk about, and this one has gone in the air and will go to the boundary. Another one. Now Yorker this time, and it's drilled down the ground to long off. Should be an easy couple. Once again in the air, it's Hassan Ali. It's quite high, but Hassan, usually a safe-handed fielder, this time he doesn't hold on to it and misses his own cotton ball.
Oh, he's middled that one. That's big. That's very big. Into the stands.
Yeah, just watched and admire. Long and gone. Yeah, this is well bowled and well played in the gap, and should be an easy couple once again. Good batting this from Akib, and I wonder why he did not bat earlier, because he looks good.
Over the head. Very close of getting a wicket, but this will fly away from the fielder for 4. So that's an excellent way to end the inning from AJK. 31 runs coming off last 2 overs. That will give them something to bowl at, some challenge for Sialkot region